To open application in the floating window mode on the Redmi Note 15, all you have to do is just to open your recent apps, then click and hold on the application, and you have to click on this icon. Now as you can see, we can find this over here. We can move this between the screen by holding over here. When you click here, you can also change some options. So we can make it full size. You can open the split screen, but also if you put it like that, you can just simply close this. As you can see, this is this simple shortcut to actually close this application. And now when you pull it like that, you can make the full screen, and that's how it actually looks. So yeah, I hope you find it useful. And we can also try to open, for example, second application in this mode. Let's see if it works. As you can see, yes, we can actually use two applications simultaneously. So that's actually a good feature. Thanks for watching.